Have you ever entered a trade thinking that the trend was strong, only to watch price stall or completely reverse, leaving you confused about what went wrong? What if the missing piece wasn't your strategy or your entry, but the volume behind the move? In this video brought to you by Learnity, I'm going to show you how to use the volume indicator in Forex trading to confirm real momentum, avoid fake breakouts, and finally understand when the market actually has strength behind it. And Learnity is a leading online edtech company dedicated to regionalizing financial education. Our mission is to make finance accessible and understandable for all, regardless of background or experience. Through comprehensive courses on Forex, stocks, investing, money management, and financial planning, we empower our clients with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the financial world with ease. In this video lesson, we are going to be looking at how to use the volume indicator in Forex trading. But before we dive into this topic, I will need you to take a little bit of your time to subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification button so that you can get notified whenever we upload new educational content. And also, do remember that you can earn reward prizes like cash rewards, trading bonuses, personalized trading plan, consultation with a mentor, and so on by engaging with our educational content. So, the more you engage with our educational content, the more you can earn reward prizes. So, to learn more about our reward program, you can click on the link below in the description area. Now, what is volume indicator? The volume indicator in Forex trading is a tool that helps traders assess the strength or weakness of a price movement based on tick volume, which is the number of price changes in a given candle. Though it's not real volume like in stocks, it's still valuable for analyzing market momentum, breakouts, and potential reversals. Now, in the MetaTrader 4 or 5 platforms and other platforms like TradingView and so on and so forth, the volume indicator shows a bar chart under your price chart. Now, each of these bar charts represents the tick volume, which is how many times the price changed during the candle. The green bars usually represent higher volume than the previous candle, while the red shows lower volume than the previous candle. So as you can see here, this is what the volume indicator looks like. This green bars represents bullishness, that is bullish strength. Meanwhile, the red bars represent bearish strength. So as you can see over here, where we had volume coming to the market in form of the bearish movement, you can see how this expansion was over here from this level to this level, and you can see how the volume indicator indicated that there was momentum coming into the market. So this is what the volume indicator helps us to achieve. Now, if you look at this area also, you can see how it gave the signal of the bullish momentum coming into the market. You can see the bullish bars rising. So we had this one, we had the next one, and each of them consecutively were rising. Also, if you look here, this bullish movement was also happening. We were having bullish movements in price at that particular period where the bars was, giving us this bullishness, that is, these bullish bars. Now, let's look at things that the volume indicator helps us to do in the Forex market. Number one is confirming price trends. Now, when price is rising and volume is increasing, that means that the uptrend is strong. And if price is rising but volume is failing, it might signal that the trend is losing strength. Same applies for the downward trend. Rising volume with falling prices equals what? Strong bearish trend. So as you can see here, we have the rising volume, and that is rising volume in form of bearish candles, and you can see that we have a strong trend. So it helps us to confirm the trend. So if you are bearish over here in this price range, would confirm your bearishness by looking at the volume indicator and seeing these bearish bars, going higher one after the other. So also at this point here, when you are bullish and you see these bullish bars coming into the market consecutively, increasing one after the other, that should be a confirmation to your trend that you should look for a bullish setup. And if you did so here, you would have also made profits. If you did so around here, you would have made huge profits. Other places were also this area. So you can see this area where we had after a retracement. So if you're still bullish here after this retracement, you can see during this candle here, this bearish candle, we had a bearish bar. Then we started printing bullish candles, and we had bullish bars, also increasing bullish bars on the volume indicator. Now, secondly, the volume indicator helps us spot fakeouts and breakouts. Now, a breakout from a range or chart pattern, for example, the triangle or flag pattern should be accompanied by a strong volume spike. And if there is low volume on a breakout, it's likely what a fake out and price might reverse quickly. So as you can see here, we have a breakout on this price chart. So this is where we have the market break this bullish trend. Now, before that, what do you see? You see what we call diminishing volume, that is diminishing bullish volume. So as you can see, we are creating higher highs on the chart, higher high, higher low, higher high. But what do you see? The volume here doesn't. You have a divergence. So divergence is when uh we have a difference between the indicator and the chart. And what is that difference here? We have the market make a higher high, but on the indicator, that is on the volume indicator, that is not what we are seeing. We are seeing what a downtrend trend line. So here we have an uptrend trend line, and as you can see, the this the charts, that is the trend line is being hit multiple times here, and comes close to it here. uh, with this trend line, you can ascertain that we are in a bullish market on this price chart. But looking at this area now, you can see that it's showing us what we call divergence. So we have bullishness here. We have the chart printing higher highs and higher lows. Meanwhile, the volume indicator over here isn't supporting that. And as you can see, once it gets to this area, we have our breakout. So the different signs, that is the first signs of this breakout were the difference between the volume indicator and the price chart. So this is what we call divergence. This was the first evidence of we having a breakout over here, and you can see after the evidence, that is after the indicator indicated that we might be having um, you know a breakout here. What do we have? We finally have our breakout, and we see bullishness coming. So we see bearishness coming to the market. We break this trend line, and what we have, we start going lower. And as you can see, we have increasing what's volume, increasing bearish volume as that is happening. So as you can see, we are creating lower lows and lower highs now, and that is being supported by the volume imbalance. So guys, in the next section of this video, I'll be taking you through the personal learning area to talk about our courses section and other sections in the personal learning area. So over here is the Learnity's platform. This is our homepage. Now in this section of the video, I'm going to be logging into my personal learning area account to take you through the functionalities of the personal learning area, to take you through the different sections we have in the personal learning area. Now, if you don't have an account and you want to open an account, what you need to do is to come over here and click on this diamond button here, and that should take you to this page where you can easily sign up to our platform. Now you can sign up by inputting your details here and clicking on the continue button, that is this create account button, or you can also sign up by using Google. So what you just need to do is to come over here and you click on continue with Google and follow the steps that are there. So if you want to learn how to create an account, you can click on the link in the description area below to learn how to do that. Now to log into your account, you need to come over here and you click on this login button. Clicking on this login button should take you to this page here where you need to input your details. Now I actually signed up using Google. So what I just need to do is come over here and click on continue on Google to move on to the to log into my account. But if you did not sign up with Google and you sign up with other email accounts, you have to use this sign in option here to sign into your account. So what I just need to do is to come over here. Like I said, I signed up with Google. So I come over here, click on continue with Google, and that should bring up a dialog box for me where I will need to select the account, that is the Gmail account I used to open the account. So this is the Gmail account I used to open this account. And what you just need to do is to click on it and allow it to load. So after choosing your Gmail account in the previous page, that should bring you, or that should sign you into your personal learning area account. So this is the Learnity's personal learning area. And in this section of the video, we are going to be talking about the community section of the personal learning area. Before we do that, I would like to take a little time to talk to you about the stream section of the personal learning area, which we have over here. Now, the stream section is your go-to feed where we drop all the latest videos, updates, and helpful contents. It's the easiest way to stay in the loop and catch up with what's new in the Forex trading world. So if you want to do that, catch up with, stay up to date with what's new in the forex trading world, you should visit this streams area to get access to all that. And also, would I would also want to remind you about the reward section of the personal learning area. And the reward section of the personal learning area allows users to earn coin Learnity tokens by watching videos in the reward area. By engaging with these videos, users can accumulate tokens, which help them progress towards earning badges and unlocking other rewards. It's an easy and fun way to earn while continuing your learning journey over here. So if you want to earn while you learn, you can take advantage of this reward section here. So what you need to do is to come to this section on a daily basis, watch the different videos that are there. That is the educational videos that we do upload there. You can watch them. So once you watch them, or while watching them, you gain knowledge, and also at the same time you earn coin tokens, which you can, which can fetch you rewards on the personal learning area. Now, last but not the least, I would also like to remind you about this bell notification icon here. Now, what does this do? If you want to get access to, important events happening in the personal learning area, if you want to get alerts when these events are happening, events like whenever we are giving out cash rewards, cashbacks, giving out trading bonuses, you need to be subscribed to this notification button right here. So to subscribe, what you need to do is, as you can see, I'm already subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what you need to do is to come over here. When you click on the button, that should bring up a dialog box for you where you will see the subscribe button. Now, once you see the subscribe button, you should click on that subscribe button, and that should successfully subscribe you to those alerts. So whenever we are holding these important events, you get alerts on your devices whenever we are having these events. Now, moving forward, let's talk about the community section of personal learning area. Now, to get to that, what you need to do is to come over here. So you can see this community icon here and click on that and allow it to load. Now, after clicking on the community icon in the previous page, that should bring you to this page where you just need to come over here and you click on this Join Us Now button and give that time to load. After clicking on the Join Us Now button in the previous page, that should bring you to this page where you will need to click on the Open Telegram desktop here. That is, the community is based off Telegram, so it's on Telegram. So you need to have a Telegram account to access, that is to gain access to the Learnity's community group. So what you need to do is to come over here after clicking on the Join Us Now button in the previous page, it will bring you to this page where it need to it will kind of alert you to open Telegram. So what I just need to do, or what you just need to do when you see this, is to click on the Open Telegram desktop button here, and that should successfully open your Telegram. That is, it should take you to the community on Telegram here. So as you can see, this is the community section, or this is the community of Learnity. Now, what is community on Learnity? Community on Learnity is a space where users can connect, share ideas, ask questions, and learn together. It's designed to foster collaboration and support among members. Users can join the Telegram community to, number one, engage with other members and share insights. Number two, ask questions and get answers from peers or experts. And number three, stay updated on news, tips, and opportunities from Learnity. It's all about growing and succeeding together in a supportive environment. So you can follow these steps I just showed you in this video to get access to the Telegram community. Now, moving on, we are going to go back to the personal learning area to talk about the courses section of the personal learning area. So, guys, we are back to the personal learning area, the dashboard section of the personal learning area. And like I said, we are going to be talking about the courses section of the personal learning area. Now, if you want to continue learning more trading concepts like this, you can take up any of our educational courses available on our platform. Now, one thing about these courses is that it's designed in such a way to guide you through the beginner to advanced concepts in trading. So if you're interested in taking up any of our courses, you can click on the link in the description area below. I think that link should bring you to this section, that is this dashboard section. So once you're here, it should take you to the courses. So if you need to get to the courses, you need to click on the courses page, the courses icon here. Clicking on that should take you to this page here. So as you can see, this is our courses page. Now, one thing here you should notice that we have premium courses and signature courses on Learnity. Now, the premium courses are very, very easy courses. Beginner friendly courses that are pocket friendly also, that you can get if you are coming from a starting from a beginner perspective in forex. Now, just like the topics that I taught in this video, if you want to learn more about those kind of topics, those are beginner concept topics that those are beginner strategies that you can use in the forex market. Now, to get to learn more on those kind of topics, you can take any of these signature courses here. So let's say, for instance, I want to take up this technical analysis course. And what I just need to do is come over here and click on this and give that time to load. Now, after clicking on the course in the previous page, that should bring you to the courses page here. Now, on this page, you get to see more information about that particular course you want to purchase, like the different topics taught in the course. So, as you can see here, we have different sections, different topics that were taught in that course. We have different modules, and under those modules, we have different topics. Also, you can see the amount that the course is going for here. So, once you're done, going through the different modules in the courses, and you're satisfied with what you see, and you want to proceed, you can come over here, click on this take the course button here, and give that time to load. Now, clicking on the take the course button in the previous page should bring you to this payments page here. So, as you can see, we have different types of payment option. We have local payments, we have bank transfer, we have international payments, and also we have African payments. So, which any of these you want to use to pay for this course, you can click on it, use them to purchase the course, and that is how you purchase a course on our platform, on Learnity's platform. So, guys, that'll be all for this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. I will see you all in the next video.